There is a common belief that once people get married, they begin to pile on the pounds. A new study suggests that this notion may hold some truth. After finding that married men have a higher body mass index than unmarried men. Being married makes men gain weight, and the early days of fatherhood add to the problem, finds new research from the University of Bath's School of Management. Happy couples eat healthier but weight more. This is the finding of our study, which is consistent with other previous studies but not all. Explains Stephanie Sherp, a senior postdoctoral research fellow at Central Queensland University who recently released what might be the most authoritative study on in-relationship spread. However, our study examined a large population sample, over 15,000 adults. Hence our findings provide a significant insight into this topic. The pressure is off. The pressure tends to be off once a couple gets married. In other words, people who are dating are more likely to stay slender to keep the attention of their partner. Couples who are happy, satisfied and secure in their marriage are more likely to gain weight because they no longer feel any pressure to attract a mate, according to a 2013 article published in Health Psychology. The first reason most couples gain weight after marriage is that, now that they have committed to their partner, the pressure is off to impress the other person. By making the marriage commitment, the couple has seen each other in the happiest and most difficult of moments. Another reason why many is the influence people gain weight after marriage influence partners have on each other. If one person does not feel additionally, it is tough to find the motivation to eat healthy and work like going shopping for healthy food or is in the mood for takeout. The other partner tends to do the same thing, out alone. Especially when one of the partners is not committed to doing these same activities. This can have a tremendous influence on the motivation to eat healthy and work out in the midst of busy life schedules. Finally, the last reason partners may simultaneously gain weight after marriage is convenience. Life becomes very busy and many people assume that it becomes a burden to meal plan and go to the gym consistently. It is a very popular belief that women gain weight on their breasts and hips once they start making love. However, this is an absolute myth. There is no physiological reason why the breasts or hips should become enlarged or disfigured after a woman starts having sex.